So guys, this may seem odd. You wouldn't believe it, but we checked in to do our laundry here.
Yep. In
And-
case you didn't believe us, this is the evidence right here.
Yeah, we
Uh,
brought three pieces of luggage, and we have one bag for our food. And this is the room, by the way. It's really good.
Oh, I want to show you something else. If you
What?
follow me
Okay.
to
Okay.
the fridge right here.
Yeah.
It's fully stocked with
Yeah. With our
pinagoongan bigas,
kanin,
pusit,
pusit,
kalingan, and puso na
puso ng saging,
saging.
and the suman,
suman.
and we have milk, but we have good cheese.
Look what Dad brought.
Oh, this is the remaining croissant that we bought from Wildflower, and the biscuits from Lola, and this is Gerard's favorite. How do you call this?
Jelly Ace.
Jelly Ace when he was young. So, diba, that's the food. And now we're doing our laundry. But look at the hotel, guys. They even surprised me with a birthday treat. I don't know for some reason, but I said this is for Gerard. This is it. So, next time, guys, you have an idea when you want to do your laundry, you can book a hotel and please book it in a 5-star hotel so that you can do it. Look at my laundry boy. Nice, okay? We're not kidding. Gerard is now washing, and because they only have so much laundry soap, we will buy more so he can finish. Okay? He will be washing my clothes for I think 4 weeks or less than a month.
Yes,
Work.
this is my new job.
Okay. So did you enjoy
Of
our
course. I can't wait to use the
staycation?
washroom.
Yeah.
We
Oh,
showed you a while ago.
later, yeah.
The soaker tub is really deep, and the toilet is really powerful.
Yeah.
In Calatagan, you have to use a bucket to flush the
Yeah.
toilet.
Oh, look at the carpet here. I think this can fit in my bag, so I'll bring it. And we agreed that we wouldn't be using the bed because this is how I was sitting here earlier for a picture. So Gerard would sleep there on the couch. I'll sleep there. And when I get promoted, I'll stay here once a week so I can work in this very nice desk, on this very nice desk. That's our view there outside, but yeah. Okay, I'll just check on the laundry boy if he's doing a good job. Look, lahat ng mga pagkain ng Batangas dinala namin dito. Oh, yeah. And I even brought my dirty pair of shoes because I said I'll wash it here. When I'm more relaxed, I can wash. Is this my, oh yeah. When we have that super typhoon paeng, so yeah, my shoes got wet. I don't know if I